Maryland Governor Wes Moore is clearing up any speculation about a possible run for the White House in 2028. Speaking on Meet the Press with moderator Kristen Welker, he ruled out a presidential run, saying that he is focused on Maryland. News 4's Megan McGrath has more on the governor's future plans.
Yes, I'll be serving a full term. I'm excited about re-election.
Maryland Governor Wes Moore says he will not run for president in 2028. Appearing on Meet the Press this weekend, Moore says his plan is to serve a second term as Maryland's governor.
You rule it out?
Yes,
You completely rule it out?
I'm so excited about what we're doing.
As National Guard soldiers continue patrolling city streets in Washington, President Trump has threatened to take similar action in other U.S. cities, including Baltimore. Last Friday, Governor Moore announced a surge of state troopers to combat crime in the city. He says the deployment of the National Guard to Baltimore isn't necessary and is illegal without his order. He alluded to reports of National Guard soldiers spreading mulch and performing maintenance tasks in D.C. instead of fighting crime.
In fact, if you're looking at the crime numbers in Baltimore, they're down around the same percentage from D.C. during the surge, and we did not have to ask these citizen soldiers to give up their lives and ask the American people to pay well over $1 million a day so we could have fences painted.
Moore was also asked about vaccine policies. There is growing concern in many states about changes in federal vaccine policy and access to things like COVID shots.
That Maryland is going to apply to the vaccine policies that we had on December 31st of last year. That we are not going to give into conspiracy theorists, and we're not going to give into, lack of data-driven policies that are somehow influencing whether people are going to be safe and whether they get access to vaccines.
Governor Moore was also asked about the redrawing of congressional districts. Texas just redrew their map, potentially adding 5 Republican seats in the House. California's governor is looking to counter those gains by redistricting in his state. Asked if he would consider redrawing the map in Maryland, Governor Moore said all options are on the table. Megan McGrath, News 4.